Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that how to buy and sell Build on token. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can buy and sell this token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So if you want to buy and sell this token on centralized exchanges, then click on CEX. Here you can buy this token on LBank. Then click on this pair. So here you can buy and sell this token on LBank exchange. Firstly you need to register or log in your account in LBank exchange. Then you can start buying and selling this token. Now if you want to buy and sell this token on decentralized exchanges, then click on DEX. Here you can buy and sell on these decentralized exchanges. Now I will click on this pair BBNB and click on trade on PancakeSwap V2. Here you need to connect your wallet from PancakeSwap exchange. Then click on connect wallet. Here you can connect MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet and other wallet. And you can also connect your mobile wallet. Click on wallet connect. Now you can scan this QR code in your mobile wallet to connect your mobile wallet from PancakeSwap exchange. After connect your wallet, then you can start buying and selling this token. And firstly, if you want to buy this token, then firstly you need to buy or receive BNB token in your wallet. Then here you will enter number of BNB that you have and you can swap this token. So if you want to sell this token, then click on this arrow and again you need to connect your wallet. After connect wallet, then here you will enter number of B token that you have and finally you will click on swap. Then you will receive BNB in exchange of B token in your wallet. So in this way you can buy and sell Bull.on token on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So guys, I have only shared technical process, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.